Hello guys and welcome to Make Easy, and today I'll show you about tile command in Linux. So generally the tile command is used to display the last or the bottom part of a file. So generally we can use to check logs and all the tile. So I'll show you a couple of options that how can we append data to existing file, or you can display how many number of lines you want and how many number of characters that you want. I'll show you all those things. So now you can also visit the manual of tile. So just visit man space tile, so you can get the documentation of that. And so now let's see the first command in the tile. So you can use directly tile log and development dot log. So this is, so it will display the last 10 lines. So if you want more lines, like if you want some only 5 lines or whatever, so just use -5. So the 5 lines, so there's 2 empty lines there, that's why 2 empty lines and 3, total 5 lines. You can also use -n option. So -n in the sense you can print number of lines, so it will take as an integer option. So again it printing 5 lines. You can also print 100 lines also. But also there is one more option called -f. So -f is helps to you can append the output of a file, append. So like, so you can use tile -f log development.log. So now I'm going to refresh my server. Yes, see, this was attached, right? The output will attach every time. Again, so like this. So here also you can, so this is default, you can print some 100 lines also. You can also pass an extra option, like we using already -f follow, and also you can use -n, so number of lines that, so we can use 50 lines. So at a time it can able to print 50 lines. So if I refresh it, yes, it was the printing, right? Register new 2 times. And also if I visit home page, again home page. So like this. And also there is one more command. So you can also print some characters with -c option. So like tile -c, and if I want only 10 characters from log development.log file, so it will print the last 10 characters. So you can also print last 100 characters like this. And so if you want to know more about tile, you can always visit the manual. So man and tile, so you can go through it. We covered -n, so -f follow option, -c like. And hope you like the video guys, and go through the manual. You can know more about tile. Thanks for watching. Hope you like the video, and please subscribe to Make Easy. Thank you.